If you are in manufacturing, you already know how hard it is to find skilled labor. Factory Fix can help. We make it easy to hire the qualified talent you need to grow your business. Our platform connects you to a vetted network of top manufacturing professionals with the experience to hit the ground running. Here's how it works. Let's say you're looking for a CNC machinist with experience on Mazak turning centers. You start by entering a few details about the job. Responsibilities and qualifications are suggested for you. Specify the machines and technologies this person will be working with. And we'll suggest a pay rate based on market data, or you can enter your own. Factory Fix then intelligently matches you to candidates that have the skills and experience you are looking for. We also post your jobs to dozens of the leading job boards to maximize your reach. We save you time by pre-screening the applicants so that you only see candidates that are fully qualified and within budget. Take a look at each candidate's Factory Fix profile, where you can view their experience, work history, and the specific machines and technologies that they have hands-on experience with. If you agree that the candidate is a good fit, request an interview at the click of a button with our easy scheduling tool. Your dedicated Factory Fix service rep is there every step of the way to ensure that all of your jobs are being filled. It's that easy. Visit factoryfix.com to get started today.